Today I'm going to show you 10 gadgets I got on Temu, from a wireless charger that moves to a super small gaming controller or even an automatic water fountain for your cat. I will start with the cheapest one, but as the video goes on you will see how they get more and more interesting. In the description you can find the names of each product as well as the links and this coupon bundle that will give you $100 discount. The cheapest products of all is this sticker that you can apply in just a few seconds and it shows you all the macOS commands. But if you own a dark MacBook, just don't get the transparent sticker. As someone who mainly uses Windows, but occasionally switches to a MacBook Air, having a list of the most used shortcuts is great for adapting and saves time instead of Googling them. If you're a macOS user, you can also get this type of stickers for Windows or even Excel, so for under $1, well, I think it's worth checking it out. This right here is another useful gadget I got. You just plug it into a charging cable and use it to charge anything with USB-C, while also displaying the volts, amps, and total watts of the current charge. If you ever feel that the charger you're using it's not the best, or maybe the problem it's on the cable, something like this can actually help. I also bought a few USB cables, like this tiny one that it's always handy, this other one with different connectors on each end so you don't have to carry multiple cables, and this Thunderbolt 4 cable, perfect for connecting a high-speed storage to your PC. Buying a lot of USB cables like the Thunderbolt 4 can get quite pricey, but in stores like Temu, well, you can actually get a deal. But now let me show you another super cheap gadget that many of you will love. I'm talking about this mount where you place your phone, close it, and while you're showering, for example, you can watch some videos or even rotate it vertically for TikToks or Reels. The mount has a waterproof film, but it still lets you touch the screen, in case you need to switch videos mid-shower. You can actually use it anywhere, not only in the bathroom, like in the kitchen, in your room, in your office, and if you want something like this but for a tablet, well, you can also get one. Another super useful accessory is this power strip with 4 USB-C ports, 4 standard outlets, and a few more on the side. But the best part of it is how small it is, especially this short cable. If you add some double-sided tape, plug it into an outlet, stick it to the wall, and connect all your devices, you will get a hub for multiple connections that you can put anywhere. The one I have is for the US, but I'm pretty sure you can find outlets for the ones of your country. The next gadget I want to show you is super tiny. I mean, it's this small gaming controller from 8BDO that it's smaller than most. It also works with Android and the iPhone and even the Nintendo Switch. But if you switch it to keyboard mode underneath, you can map the buttons to keyboard shortcuts. Perfect if you draw an iPod, for example, and you need a quick access to several shortcuts. The best thing about this controller is actually its size because, well, you can actually store it anywhere you want. But did you saw how I recorded that last shot? I filmed it in first person using both hands because I had this mount. This is basically a flexible mount that you can wrap around your neck and it lets you record different angles from this perspective. Great for doing some live videos or just capturing different experiences in a different angle. There is a MagSafe version of this which is perfect if you're on an iPhone, but this right here actually works with any phone you have, and if you're a new Temu user you can actually get it for $1 in the app. This rectangular cube you see right here is a Key 2 compatible wireless charger. Just place your iPhone or Android on it and with a simple tap it moves into position automatically. Plus it has this section for charging your earbuds and this other part for charging your Apple Watch, making it a 3-in-1 charger perfect for your desk. And before wrapping up, let me show you some cool gadgets I got that, I don't think they need a lot of explanation, but at the same time, I want to share them with you. Like this little Axotol figure that lights up and works as a lamp on your desk, or this desk clock with a really cool industrial style. I also got this foldable Bluetooth keyboard which has 2 little stands right here to hold your phone so you can type more comfortably, or even a small tablet like an iPad mini. And stepping away from tech, I also picked up this mat for the cat little box and this other one just because, I liked it and now it's staying here. This was the first time that I bought things from Temu that are not really related with tech, like the rugs, and at the end of the day, I don't think I should be surprised because these are the same sellers there are in other stores, so the products should be the same, and they really are. But anyway, there are 2 more things that I want to show you that I bought them exclusively for my pets. for my cat and for my dogs, and I really like them. First of all, I want to show you this water fountain for my cat, which ensures that he always has clean water. You pour the water to this 1-gallon tank, and then on the control panel, you adjust the water portion and the refresh time. And then the fountain will replace the water automatically. I tried filming Leo while drinking from it, but he wasn't feeling it at the moment, but then I recorded the other day, and as you can see right here, well, he actually uses it. At any time, you can take apart all of the pieces, leaving just the main tower, which is super useful for disposing dirty water and cleaning everything time to time. It's actually a pretty simple machine with a built-in battery that doesn't need any type of filters or cartridges, and it also doesn't require you to clean it all the time, which it's actually great. I also want to show you this brush that connects to a vacuum, and look how much my dogs love it. Even the cat enjoys it, and it sucks up all the loose hair instantly, so you can brush your dogs indoor without worrying about the hair flying everywhere. Plus, it comes with a bunch of different attachments like this clipper, which I use for Teddy's private area, but also for trimming the fur on his paws. These are not all the products that I bought on Temu recently. Actually, I think I bought like 40 or 50 products, but from all of those, these are the ones that I recommend. And don't forget that all the products that I mentioned are in the description, and if you use this coupon code, you can get an actual discount on Temu. But anyway, I really hope you liked this video, and I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao!